Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy coins or cryptocurrency on MEXC Exchange. So first you have to download the app on their website, or you can also open the website, but in this video I will show you how to buy it from the MEXC Exchange. So yeah, open the app. Then as you can see, there is deposit option here. You can click it, deposit button here, and then you can choose quick buy or sell. So you can click this one, and now you can choose the token or coins you want to buy. You can first you can change the currency. I will choose USD here, and then the coin you can just change it if you want to USDT, BTC, or other. Let's say I want to buy BTC here, and then you can choose the amount. Let's say I will buy 1000, and then you can choose the payment. There is a third party. If you want to use debit or credit card, you have to change the coin USDT, let's say, and it will allow you to use debit or credit card. This one, and then you can just click buy USDT, but you have to advance KYC, and then you can just follow the instruction, and then you can buy it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.